Wishing you a good day, dear student. This is Ankita from the race classes is going to talk you about the topic numericals based on perimeter and area. Children, in our previous video, we have already learned the theory portion of topic perimeter and area. And in this video, we are going to solve different patterns of questions based on perimeter as well as area. So before moving to the questionnaire, first of all, I would like to recall some of the formulas verbally so that you can also just check whether you have learned the formulas or not. Like in our theory portion, we have discussed about perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of triangle, perimeter of square. And when we are going to talk about area, we have discussed about area of square and area of rectangle too. Understood, no? In this, we are going to sum up all the concepts together and we are going to solve the numericals based on this one with the different patterns of questions I took from different books as well. And it is very helpful for your examination too. These questions which I have taken is basically for class 4th and 5th. I think the same questions have been asked many times in your examinations as well. So we are going to discuss all these things in detail in this video. So please have a look. Before moving to the parts, first of all, I'm going to recall the formula. You have to recall the same thing with me. So you can mark your heading recap. Recap is just to remember the formulas from the previous one, from the theory portion. So children, mark your heading recap. Your heading is what? Recap of formulas. And again, like, you are not supposed to erase this one. This we are going to use again and again to understand. Recap. We will write in a short form. First formula which we are going to recall is your perimeter of square. Clear, no? Will be equal to what? 4 multiplied by side. Do you get my point? Second of yours is perimeter of rectangle. If you know the answers, please you write your answers in comment section. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. I will write the short form of length plus breadth that I have already taught in a previous video where we have discussed the theory portion. Third part of yours will be perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle. And your formula is what? Sum of all three sides. Formula is sum of all three sides. Clear? Next we have studied about fourth, area of square. Area of a square is what? Please write your answers. Yeah. Side multiply by side. Side multiply by side is your formula. And another one which we are having is area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. Children, we will solve all the problems as per your class based on these 5 formulas where we will discuss different patterns of the questions based on this one. Clear, no? I hope you understand the point. So first pattern of the questions which we are going to discuss is about the figures are given, different dimensions are given for that figure and you have to find the perimeter of that one. You are not sure that which figure is given, only whether a square, triangle or rectangle is given. No. Any other shapes and figures can be given. You have to understand about it. We have to find the perimeter of that figure. Clear? So first pattern of your question is what? Please note it down. Note down these formulas. It will be there throughout the video to recall your knowledge again and again. Clear, no? So first pattern of your question is we have to find the perimeter of each figure. Your first pattern will be find. Question is find the perimeter of each figure. Each figure means I will take two figure here. We are going to discuss one after the another. Clear? Your A part is given. Clear? If it is not visible to you, I can increase the size of this one so that you can see it properly. Then clear. And we are going to write the units with different symbol, and other will be your part B. This have the another questions. Now I will write the units like here we are having 3 meter, here we are having 3 meter, here we are having 3 meter, and here we are having 7 meter. Find the perimeter of each figure. Again and again I am explaining you the same thing. Perimeter is called your outer boundary. Like I have this smart board, no? Sorry, board, not smart board. I have this board. Perimeter if I have to find, I will find the outer boundary of this board. That means outer edge. Clear? So you have to find the outer edge of this figure. It's very easy for you. I think you have solved the problems based on this one. You have to simply sum the numbers whatever it is given. You will write the answer children. But when you have to go with the solutions for examination purpose, you have to do all the things with a proper step. Do you get my point? You have to do everything in a proper way to solve that problem. Now next question of yours is written like, if question is given, I'll write the another pattern. If this is your question, please have a look. Again you can see from here, no, the shape is not fixed. We can take any other shape. If it is given like this, you can little bit increase the size too. Understood? If it is given your 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter, here it is given 7 centimeter, 4, you can write 5 centimeter, here you will write 8 centimeter, now this is left, you will write 2 centimeter. This also you can take as well as 2. Clear? We are having different operations, but we are not going to use. We are using simply to find the perimeter. We are using only one operation, that will be your addition. Do you get my point? So it's very easy and simple. Figures are different, but what you have to do, you have to simply write the answer. Like question is given for first one. Please draw this figure. Your formula is, if you have to find the perimeter equal to sum of, don't write the shape of this figure, no need, sum of the length of its sides. Understood? Nobody is asking with the name of this figure, it's not required as well. So what is the sum of the length of its figure? That will be your, please start adding from this place. 3 meter plus 3 meter plus 3 meter, and last you are having plus 7 meter. Now 3 plus 3 we are having 6, 6 plus 3 we are having 9, 9 plus 7 we are having 16 meter. I told when the units are added, it should not be the square, it should be square only, the units will be square in case of area. So here we are having 16 meter as your perimeter. Outer boundary of this figure is what? 16 meter. Do you get my point? When we are going to talk about this figure is also, you can see this looks like L shape. So to find this, you can write simply perimeter equal to sum of its length. Short form you can write sum of its length. And its length is what? Let's start to find it from here. Clear? We are going to start from here. First is your 7 centimeter plus here 2 centimeter, then plus 5 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, then we are having plus 2 centimeter plus we are having plus 2 and then we are having plus 10 centimeter. Please take a note of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear, no? We have to find the outer boundary of this figure. So simply we are going to add it. 7 centimeter, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 80, 22 plus 2, 24, 24 and 10, we are having 34 centimeter. So what is your perimeter of this L-shaped figure? 34 centimeter. And what is the perimeter of your this shape? 16 meter. Units can be different. Please make it sure unit in this case will not be the square one because we are adding the number. Do you get my point? This is your first pattern of the question where we are going to talk about find the perimeter of each figure. Clear? Now we are moving to the next part of yours where we are going to discuss about the triangle. Here shape is not decided. Now I am going to bound you with the particular shape. Like we will solve the problem based on triangle only. That means the question is given to find the sides of the triangle. Method is same. If you have to find the sides of or perimeter of the triangle, you have to sum all its sides. Clear, no? So children, please take a click of this one. This is your first pattern. If you have any questions regarding this type of, you can just click photos and send your queries in comment section. Do you get my point? So that I can just review your question and I tried my level best to resolve it as quick as possible. From any book you can send, no problem. So next pattern of yours is we are going to discuss about perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle means it have how many sides? Triangles is having 3 sides. Okay, and we are not going to stick with that which type of triangle we are having. We are simply going to write the sides. Like for example, find, your question is given, second pattern, find the perimeter of triangle. Clear? Perimeter of triangle is what? Your perimeter is given 10 centimeter. Sorry, no plus, we are going to use directly, comma 15 centimeter, comma 24 centimeter. Clear? This is very easy. So simply what you have to do, you have to write perimeter of, you can say your answer also directly. Perimeter of a triangle equal to what? Sum of its sides. Clear, no? And sum of its sides is given 10 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 24 centimeter. And when we are going to add 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 24 centimeter, what is the answer, children? What is the answer? Fine. Your answer is 10 plus 15 we are having 25, 25 plus 24. We are having 49 centimeter. Understood? So what is your perimeter of a triangle? What is perimeter of a triangle? Good. So perimeter of a triangle is your 49 centimeter. Easy for you to understand. No need to draw. This is just the step as per your class. In 4 and 5th, the same thing is given. So you have to go with it. Clear? This is your another pattern of the question. I'll give you one homework. You have to solve and give your answer in comment section. Your question is, find the perimeter of triangle. Find the perimeter of triangle if what is given? 14 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 29 centimeter. We can take any other unit. Please let me know the answer of this one so that I can understand whether my children have understood this concept, how to add. Simply you have to add, children. Write the formulas and add. Clear? Understood, no? This is your second pattern. Let's move to the third pattern of yours where we are going to discuss about this perimeter and area of square, and then we are going to discuss about perimeter and area of rectangle. Do you get my point? How you will tackle it out. The question is how you will tackle it out. Most of the time while we were evaluating the copy, we observed that question is asking to find the perimeter or area of square, and you have done all the complete solution without looking into the question. Directly you have find the perimeter and area of rectangle. So student, that time you will not get any mark for that. So for that, what you have to do, when you are having the square, you understand, no? In square, all the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, that means you have only one common side. Do you get my point? If you have only one common side, then what you have to do in that case, you have to find the perimeter of square or area of square. And when length and breadth is given, in that case, you have to find the perimeter or area of rectangle. Clear? So, other pattern of your question is, now here your formulas are helpful. Do you get my point? Two questions I will discuss and two I will give you for homework. So let's start. Find the perimeter, and in the same question you have to find both. Find the perimeter and area of square. Third pattern of ours. Find the perimeter and area of a square. Area of a square. If your first question is written 12 centimeter. Now you have to understand, if 12 centimeter is written, then 12 centimeter of yours is what? You have to write given side equal to what? 12 centimeter. What is given for you here? Here the side is given. Given side is your 12 centimeter. Now write the formula for, first we are going to find the perimeter. Perimeter of square is what? 4 multiplied by side. Perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side. Very easy for you to understand and gain the mark in this chapter. Very easy concepts are given as per your class. When you go to the higher class, you will get different patterns of the questions. So please learn these things properly so that you can score the good mark in examinations as well. So 4 multiplied by your side is 12 centimeter. Now directly you have to multiply 4 into 12. What you will get? Yeah, 4 multiplied by 12. Your answer is 48 centimeter. One time you have multiplied, that's why we have written this unit 48 centimeter. Do you get my point? Next, with same question we are going to discuss another pattern. That will be your area. What is? Area of a square. Question is same side is given. What is given? Formula will be your area of square. Formula is what? Side multiplied by side. Clear? So when we are going to write side multiply by side. Clear? Side multiplied by side. Now we would like to write the formula for this one. Side is what? What your side is given? 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter. Can you guess what is the answer? When you are multiplying 12 with 12, your answer is 144. Can you guess the unit? Children, in this case, we are only having the one digit we are multiplying and we are getting the answer. We are adding that after multiplication, we are getting this one. Do you get my point? Here we are having side into side. 12 into 12, we are having 144. Centimeter into centimeter, we have centimeter ke power 2. Do you get my point? Otherwise, you can write it as well 144 square centimeter. This is also your correct answer and that is also your correct answer. Both answers are correct. You have to decide in which form you are going to write. If you are writing both the form, that is also correct. Clear? So 144 centimeter square and other is your 144 square centimeter. Do you get my point? So let's write the another one. I hope if you need more questions on this one, I'll go with it. So first of all, let's recall. Right, another one you have to do as a homework. Clear? This one is easy for you to understand, that's why I'm not giving much time for this one. Where I have to give much time on different pattern of the questions, I'll go with it. So your question is, if it is written 25 centimeter, third is your 18 meter, and fourth is your 9 centimeter. These three questions I am giving you, and you have to solve this answer and give your answer in comment section. You have to find, for this also you have to find perimeter and area, and for this also perimeter, and for this too. Clear? Understood? Now, third pattern of yours is your find the area and perimeter for which figure? Now please take a screenshot of this one. Please take a screenshot of this one. Okay, fine. So let's move to the third pattern of ours for area of rectangle. Clear? Here the formula is different, pattern is different. Based on this pattern, the questions are different. Clear, no children? So it's here only one side is given, and in case of rectangle you have two sides. One is your length and other is your breadth. Clear? So we are going to discuss. First you will write like this. What is given? If your question is given length equal to 13 centimeter and next breadth equal to 10 centimeter. Both the units are same. Sometimes one unit is same, other is different. In some cases both are same. That totally depends on the questions itself. Now you are going to write formula for what? Perimeter of rectangle equal to formula is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. And resemblance to this one, we are going to write area of area of a rectangle. And in that case, your area is what? Length multiplied by breadth. These two formula I have just compared it from here. Now perimeter of rectangle is what? Here your length is given 2 multiplied by, your length is given 13 centimeter and your breadth is given 10 centimeter. So what you will do? You can write 2 multiplied by 13 plus 10. We are having 23. Clear? And at the top you can write centimeter because we are adding. No? When we are adding we can write any one. So 23 into 2, we are having 46 centimeter. What is your answer? 46 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is what you are getting in this case. Perimeter of a rectangle you are getting equal to 46 centimeter. Clear? Another pattern which we are going to discuss for this is your area of rectangle. Question is same, only the methods are different. Here you have to multiply length. Your length is given 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter. Now please keep your eyes in this one. What you have to do? You have to keep your eyes in this, and then 13 multiplied by 10, you are getting 130. 130. Now you have to decide which unit you are going to. Please remember the case of square. What is the unit for area of square? Yeah, we are having either square at the top or we are having square, centimeter or meter. So we are having 130 centimeter multiplied together. Our answer is centimeter square. And when we are multiplying this, we can write again in this way, square centimeter. Clear? Do you get my point? This is another pattern of the questions based on this as per your class 5th and 4th too, with the topic perimeter and area of rectangle as well as area of square and perimeter of square. The another pattern which is important and I think you find difficulty in dealing with that one is, if only perimeter is given, side is not given, otherwise length and perimeter is given, breadth is not given, then in that case what you are going to do? What type of formula you are going to use in that case? That will be the task for you to solve that. Clear, no? Like here area of rectangle is what? So from here you can get one more formula, like if you have to find length equal to, then you can write the formula area upon breadth. This will be your one formula for length from this only. And if you have to find another one, you can write breadth equal to area upon length. This is also your another formula which you can only find by transposing here and there. Nothing you have to do any hard and fast rule. Simply have to transpose the number. Area remains at the same place. Length will be here. If this is in multiply, when it will come after this equal, this side beforehand, then you will get in form of divide. And if you are keeping this breadth here, when length will come, then it also comes in form of divide. That is only the simple transpositions of that length and breadth. Clear? So these two formula once again we are having. We are going to discuss now. Please take a click of this one if you want. Afterwards we are going to discuss with another pattern. That will be your find the missing length. The question is what? Find the missing length. That means let's see what we have missed and what we are going to find. I think I have erased this. Okay. This pattern is almost done. Now, it have taken more space. I think this formulas, otherwise I can erase. But now we are going to use find the missing length. The question pattern is what? Now fourth part of yours. If your question is given, only 2-3 operation is given and one is not given, then what you are going to do in that case? This one is also given in your syllabus only. Like if your figure is given here, it is a triangular shape. Your question is given. Please draw it, children. You can see it looks similar, but it is not similar. First one is little bigger. This one. And this is quite smaller. Okay. So just give me a couple of minutes. I have to drink water. Your side is given. One side 10 meter, other side 8. And then your perimeter is given 32 meter. Like this is your bigger side. I'm erasing. Clear? So one side is your 10 meter, other is your 8 meter, and your perimeter is given 32 meter. Clear? So from here you can understand, no? We have to find the missing length. Which side of yours is missing here? This side is given, this side is given. Now your missing length is this side, this one. This side is missing. And what is given? Perimeter. Don't think this perimeter as this side. Perimeter means normally we can write anywhere else, otherwise you will be confused. Overall perimeter of this figure is given 32 centimeter. Clear? Understood? So what is the formula? Perimeter of triangle equal to perimeter of a triangle equal to sum of its sides. Sum of its sides. And how many sides we are having? Today we are having 3 sides, A plus B plus C. Clear, no? We are having 3 sides. So perimeter of a triangle is given how much? 32 centimeter. And what is given sum of its side? A is given your 10 meter. Your B is given 8 meter. And asking for C. Now here I am going to change my ink to just tackle out your confusion. What you will do, you will please keep this 32 centimeter as here only and add these two numbers. What you will get? 18 meter plus please remain this side as C. Clear? Here we are going to apply the transposition method. You can see just after two equal sides this 18 is plus operation. When it will come to this side, it will plus is going to change into minus and minus is going to change into plus. But here plus is given. That means what I will do, plus operation is going to change into minus. 32 minus 8. Again I am writing centimeter. It is not centimeter. Meter is given. Clear, no? Everywhere meter is given. So just write 32 meter equal to 18 meter. 32 minus 18 meter equal to C. C is what? Your third side. C is your bracket, you can write third side. Clear? So 32 minus 18. What final answer you are going to get from here is your 12 minus 8 we are getting 4 and 3 minus 2 minus 1 we are getting 1. 14 meter equal to C. C is what? C is your third side, or you can write here also third side equal to third side of triangle equal to 14 meter. This both is your correct answer. Clear? This is also your correct answer. That means two sides are given and asking for one side. That is your 14 meter. When you will add 10, 8 and 14, you will get the answer 32. Like 10 plus 8 we are having 18 and 18 plus third side you are getting here 14 meter. Then what is your answer? 32. Overall your perimeter is what? 32. Clear? Understood? Now next pattern we are going to discuss once again with square and rectangle. Clear? So please take a click of this one. Please take a click of this one. Next pattern of yours is given for perimeter of rectangle or square. Okay. Two part is left. So find the missing length. In that we are going to discuss about perimeter for rectangle. And again we will discuss about perimeter for square. Clear? So please note it down. If your question is given, find the missing length. Clear? I am going to draw this figure. Clear? One side of yours is given 13 meter. This is your length. Breadth is not given. Now can you guess if length is given, breadth is not given, what we are going to find? We cannot find. One more operation is given. What is? Perimeter. If you again perimeter is given, how many centimeter? 40. In place of meter, this time we are going to use centimeter. 40 centimeter. Now what we have to find in a question? We have to find the breadth of rectangular figure. So please note it down. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 multiplied by length plus. This cannot be possible only in case of rectangle. This perimeter, children. It can be done through the area of rectangle as well. Also we can use the same that formula also and solve this type of problem. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Clear? Or it can be written as 2 into L plus 2 into B. Clear, no? So please write what is the perimeter of rectangle given here? 40 centimeter. Clear? It is given here 40 centimeter. Now please apply this. 2 multiplied by your length is given here 13 centimeter plus here 2 multiplied by b, you will get 2b. Any number we are multiplying, you will directly get 2b simply. So here you are getting 40 centimeter equal to 13 2 ja. We are having 26 centimeter plus 2b. Clear? Now I think I'm switching myself to this side. Please have a look. 14. Here you are having 26 with a positive symbol. Here you are having 26 with a positive symbol. So when it comes to this side, then it will become your negative. So what you are going to do? 40 centimeter minus 26 centimeter equal to how much? You are having 2b. Now 40 minus 26, we are having around 14 centimeter equal to 2b. Now one more we have to do the transposition. Here we are having the symbol this 2b in case this multiplication one. When we are going to transpose this to this side, this multiplicative term is being converted into which form? Divide. Clear, no? When we are going to write like this, it will be converted into equal to b. B is what? B is your breadth. Now what you will get when you will convert this simply in table of 2 you are getting 14 how many times? 7 times. 7 2 ja 14. So your breadth is what? 7 centimeter equal to breadth. I am going to write the fresh answer. Your breadth is what? Breadth equal to 7 centimeter. Clear? What question is given? Your length is given something different and your breadth is given something different. Like your length is given 13 centimeter and you will get the breadth here 7 centimeter. And what is your perimeter? If you have to check, you can check also. 13 plus 7, we are having 20. 13 plus 7 we are having 20 and 20 multiplied by 2 as per the formula 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth 13 plus 7 we are having 20 and when you are multiplying 20 with 2 you will get the perimeter 40. That means whatever the solution we have done by transposing method from this addition, then we did a minus. Afterwards we have in between multiplication is there, then we have divided and find the answer. So our final answer is that one. Clear, no? Last pattern of questions I am leaving for you. Do you get my point? That is based on your find the missing length of, I think you have noted down already. Please have a click. Okay. So last pattern will be for square and that you have to solve. Method is same. Formula is same. Simply you have to divide with that same parameter and you have to give your valuable answer in comment section. Clear, no children? So please note down the question. Find the missing length for which figure? You have to find the missing length for square. And your question is, you can write in center as well here. Perimeter equal to 92 centimeter. This will be your homework. Okay. Please write and give your answers in comment section. You have to find what? Find its size. Simply you have to put in the formula and then you have to transpose multiplicative form will be changes 4 into side, then you have to do 92 upon 4. You will get the answer. Clear, no? I hope you understand that same. This question is for you. That means these three forms. First of all, like area. First we have discussed about find the perimeter of different figure. Then we have discussed about area and perimeter of square as well as rectangle. We have also discussed about perimeter of triangle 2. And at the last we have discussed about find the missing length questions. These all are given in your class and as per your syllabus also. We are going with it. Basically in 4th also it is given. In 5th also it is given. I don't think so. If you find any difficulty, you just put your queries in comment section. I'll just try to resolve your query, children. Clear, no? So once again you can watch this video again to just avoid your confusion. And I think this is all from my side, numerical from this topic, perimeter and area. And you already the theory part is given, children. So please have a look. Thank you. Have a nice day.